SoundCloud is one of the most popular platforms for people to discover and listen to new music and songs. But what if I could be paid and make money online simply by listening to those music online? How great is that? Your country doesn't matter. You can do it if you are from India, the Philippines, United States, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, or any other country in the globe. You can still earn money online every day just by listening to music on SoundCloud. Before we begin, please subscribe to Roladel Business and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video like this. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the content, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. You could receive payments like $10 to $100 just by listening to music. Here's how much money you can earn from this. Just listening to one song earns you $3.50, and listening to 10 songs earns you $35, and listening to 20 songs earns you $70. You may make $175 daily just by listening to 50 songs. The greatest part is that you may do this as many times as you like. Yes, this approach is completely free to get started, which means you don't have to spend any money to get started. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer to listen to music. So, first thing, I want you to go to SoundCloud.com. Basically, you may use this website to discover and listen to various types of music and songs. Signing up for SoundCloud is completely free. So as you can see, there is a lot of different trending music that you can locate and listen to right here. And all of this music is available in a variety of languages. And you can download SoundCloud on your phone to listen to it. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android phone. You can still get the app for free. As you can see, if you have an Android phone and search for SoundCloud to play music, audio, and use songs in Google Play Store, you will be able to discover an app straight away, and there are 5 million reviews right there. Essentially, that's such a great app for finding different music to listen to. So, if you are using an iPhone, you can go to your app store and download the same app. As you can see here, once you have downloaded SoundCloud on your phone, you will be able to find and explore new music to listen to. What I generally do is to go down below and click on this icon that says Explore Trending Playlist, and that will lead me to this website, which you can see here, where you can categorize all of the music into different categories. For example, if I want to listen to music in this category, I will simply click on this music right here, which will lead me to this page as shown here, where I can simply click on the play button right here to begin listening to music. So right there is a playlist that has a few songs on the same playlist. Once you've grasped the concept of SoundCloud and how to locate music on, I would like to introduce you to another website where you may search for various song lyrics. As you can see when you go to aslyrics.com website, this is essentially where you can get different lyrics for different kinds of music. Thus, there is a lot of music accessible on this platform. For example, if you want to look up the lyrics of a song, I can just click on this link and to take me to this page of the song, where I can just listen to the music. But I want you to pay attention to the lyrics. As you can see here, that's the name of the song and that's the entire lyrics of the song. And that's a great chance for you to really listen to the music. So, every basic piece of music like this can easily make you a few dollars over and over again. When you look at this, every audio minute is worth between $1.25. If you merely listen to the music and transcribe the song into lyrics, as you can see here, the average length of normal music or song is around 3 minutes. Therefore, based on these earnings, 1 minute may earn you $1.25 and 3 minutes off. One song can make you $3.75 over and over again. So, the next thing I want you to do is go to Revcom, which is the next website on the list. Basically, you may discover a variety of work opportunities on this website to transcribe various types of music or videos as you like. Before I continue, if you think that's powerful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's take the first category of tasks that you can perform, which is available globally and requires no money to get started. It's also extremely quick and simple. You may earn $1.25 for each minute of audio that you transcribe into lyrics. For example, if you listen to one of these songs on SoundCloud and you transcribe them into lyrics or written words into text, you can get paid for every single minute of the audio because there is so much music and songs on SoundCloud. They will need people like you to transcribe the music and turn it into words and lyrics. That's when you go to the homepage. Scroll down to the very bottom of this website and pick freelancers under the About part, which will take you to this page. As you can see below, freelance jobs that pay well and allow you to work from home. So, you can basically make money online by just transcribing or capturing various audios and music files from the comfort of your home. The best part about this website is that you can work on any schedule you want, and you may work for 3 hours, 1 hour, or 30 minutes at any time. And you can select from hundreds of tags on the site, and you can be paid every week directly into your PayPal account, and the payment is always on schedule. On this website, there are mainly 2 types of jobs: transcriptionist and captioning. I want you to pick a transcriptionist and then click the Learn More option. From there, you will be sent to this page where you may learn more about the website, what is the work about, and how you can join up and be approved to start transcribing music and audio files for money on this website. All you have to do now is scroll down to the bottom of this page and click on this one right here to sign up now to become a transcriptionist. In a moment, I will walk you through different examples of how you can transcribe right here on this website using this free software, and how you can maximize your earning potential and earn double money using this free software. But yes, I would like to show you another website where you can join up and work from a variety of transcription jobs. The second website is GoTranscript.com. They pay a pretty high rate for online transcribing work. As you can see here, for every single audio and video minute, you will pay $0.86, which is a very high rate. So, if you are a normal piece of music lasts 3 minutes, you may earn up to $2.58 just for listening and transcribing it. And one piece of advice and experience I can share with you now is to sign up on multiple platforms. You can go to GoTranscript.com and sign up too. It's very important for you to sign up on multiple platforms so you can find different job opportunities all over the world. So once again, when you deal with GoTranscript.com, you may actually take advantage of work from home and receive a variety of help, and you are paid weekly via PayPal. You may work on your own schedule and discover other projects that you enjoy and just take it up and start working in transcribing different kinds of music and songs. Once again, so if you want to start generating money, all you have to do is scroll down to the very end and click on Work right here and click on this Apply Now button right here. And it will lead you to this page where you can log into your GoTranscript.com. All you have to do is enter your email address and password and click the sign up button. It's that simple and easy. Now that you've signed up for both websites and are ready to make money online, you will begin listening to various kinds of music and transcribing them into lyrics, which is where I want you to go to this website, which is alltranscribe.com. Basically, this is a free online app and program that will assist you in doing all of your transcribing work in a very straightforward manner. When you arrive on this page, click on this blue button right here to start transcribing. Once you select different kinds of music that you want to listen to and start transcribing, they generally offer a download file, or you can literally receive a link to the music. Take for example, music on SoundCloud. If you click on the music, you should be able to find a share button. Take a look at this. It's a share button, and if you click on this button right here, it will open a new window where you can discover a link to the music. For instance, as you can see here, this is the entire link of the music. You can grab this link right here and download the music, or you can upload the music file right into the software by clicking on this button right here to upload the music file. After that, this free tool will automatically help to transcribe the entire music into words. However, they have minor grammar or spelling errors that you must repair. Therefore, this is a free application that I propose to assist you in making your tasks easier. Right now, I will share with you another bonus tip that will help you multiply your earnings. If you go back to Rev website, you can see a typical transcription job based only $1 to $0.25 per minute. But if you look at foreign subtitles, you can earn anywhere from $3 to $7 per minute, which is a lot of money. So, when you go to SoundCloud, for example, you can discover different kinds of music and different languages. This one is in English, which a lot of people know, but this one is written in another foreign language, which a lot of people don't know. So, it is really difficult for you to transcribe different genres of music in different foreign languages, which is why they will pay you considerably more. If you can do it for more than one foreign language, you may go to another website, which is deepl.com. This is a free software that you can utilize. Now that you have arrived at the website, you may use a translator to practically translate anything from any language you choose. Take for example, a piece of music written in German that you translate into English, or a piece of music written in English you can translate into whatever language you choose. Alternatively, you can upload the whole audio file right into this program and have it to do the work for you. This is another free tool that can assist you in working on this area, which may earn you more money online. As you can see here, up to $7 every minute. And depending on what country you are from, you can get different jobs. Sometimes you will get a lower paying job and sometimes you will get a higher paying job. This is an opportunity where you can listen to different kinds of music and then simply transcribe them into text and music lyrics and get paid for it. If you like watching YouTube videos, I've already made a video of how to make money watching YouTube videos like this one you're watching now. Do well to check it out. Hope you found this content useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Roladel Business, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.